The main thing that we're known for is for the quality of our work. My dad and his business partner at the time had 12 locations throughout various cities in France. And then in the 80s, taking a trip into New York City, he saw that the industry of shoe repair was much different the way it's operated in France, and he saw an opportunity to bring it here to the States. And the first shop was actually opened back in 1983 on 7th Avenue. The reason why we are who we are is because our customers trust us with their most prized possessions. I mean, the majority of the items we deal with have an average retail price of over $1,000. So the care that they have that they can physically bring it in themselves is also transferred when we do all our shipping, because they know that it's secured from once it leaves their door until it arrives into our facility. I mean, anytime we've had to use InsureShield, like the customers always reply back to us like, wow, thank you so much. I'm so surprised. The whole process was very smooth, and it's a complete peace of mind that once it ships, we know we don't have to worry about it, and God forbid anything happens, we're covered.